Just check out this huge mineral lick. There hasn't been mineral in this in several months, but I just had a friend on another hunting property down the road drop off some lucky buck. So I'm going to put it out and I'll show you some pictures. You can tell here that the deer just start hitting this pretty much immediately, even at night. And check this guy out, he looks pretty good. The heat index is supposed to be 110 today. You can see this old stump. It's been here who knows how long. And one thing about it is the smell. It has to be attractive to the deer just the way it smells. We'll see. This gives it a timestamp. Once again, you can tell the deer can't help it. They've got to go check that smell out. The rain has washed out the trail over to the camera that's kind of hard to get to, so got this filled up. Well, 3/4 of the way filled up because I'm testing this out. I think it's going to be great. We'll see what happens. I've got some high hopes for Lucky Buck. And this stump behind me is going to be Lucky Buck test location number 3. These deer, once again, do not disappoint. Little smaller bucks, now the bigger ones start showing up to see what's going on with this Lucky Buck. And I'm going to call this Lucky Buck location number 4. And you can tell here this is a good timestamp. The deer just start showing up and showing up and showing up. And it just got to the point to where I had to change the camera settings in the app, thank goodness, because you can do that in the Reveal app without actually going anywhere. And how you do that, you just go to your app on your phone, click on the cameras tab at the bottom. It'll bring up your camera just above camera gallery. Click on that. That will bring up your camera settings. Click on that. Then you'll want to scroll down to where you see delay. See, this one is actually off. So scroll your seconds in your minutes to the time you want and just hit save at the bottom of this screen. Then hit apply all settings and yes to make sure your camera is adjusted. I've got the camera here. There's a tree stand right back there. And I'm going to put the Lucky Buck right there. And as you can tell, there's a humongous cornfield up there. This is for test location number 5. That's me right there. And the deer that night start hitting that Lucky Buck mineral. Into the next day, they'll start coming back, as you can see. Then again that night and into the next day. This is going to be test location number 6. And from an elevated view, you can see the camera over there on that tree. And right there is the mineral. And I'm not adding any corn to this Lucky Buck mineral. Just want to see what it can do on its own. Here I am again, giving it a good timestamp. And you can tell the deer just start showing up to hit this Lucky Buck in the day and the night, to the next day in the evening. And when that little buck starts showing up. And for test location 7, I just put the Lucky Buck on the edge of this cornfield for a great little place for them to stop. And you can tell they just keep coming on back to it. And this is going to be test location number 8. And here at test location 8, I'm starting to notice there's a lot of good initial activity. And then what I like the most about this Lucky Buck mineral is the deer come back, and they keep coming back to it. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can see more videos like this one. And also remember, when you order your Lucky Buck, it will be in a 20-pound bucket. Just check the products link on the video here, or just go to the description and you can see the link there as well.